get to work. Yeah, we run it. Let's get to work. Yeah, we run it. Yeah, you better buckle up, strap in, hold tight. I'm a hustler, taking what's mine. Get to work. Let's get to work. You got me like take that fast, 'cause I make the cut. Trip on third, yeah, I keep it up. Try it on if you're feeling tough. Question it, yeah, I'll be in touch. Feeling it just right, got the buzz. Tear it up, don't tell me to hush. Sitting back while they make a fuss. Breaking all the rules, want a rush. Breaking all the rules, want a
Parang
rush.
mabigat. Mabigat-bigat. Thank you sa gold. Alam mo, mahal na mahal ko ang gold.
Let's get to work. Yeah, run it. Yeah, you better buckle up, strap in, hold tight. I'm a hustler, taking what's mine. Get to work. Let's get to work.
Sobrang blessed ko talaga sa thankful kasi every day siya talaga yung kasama ko. Even in my hardest part, siya talaga.
John Lester. Lagi mong sasabihan si Ira ng I love you. Hindi ko ano yun. Importante yun.
Like water in the desert, impossible to find. You found me when I was broken, put me back together, gave me life. Like a flower in the concrete, so beautiful and
Salamat dahil yun nga, kung sino siya yung kasama ko nung pinaplano ko kung ano yung magiging buhay ko. So, siya pa rin naman yung kasama ko hanggang ngayon. And sana, habang buhay.
You're the sun to the moon. You're my ocean, painted blue. I'm nothing without.
Grandmother ko, mother nung nanay ko. And alam niya yung plano na to nung actually boy pa siya nung pinaplano yung wedding. Kaso last August 16 nung dinala ko siya ng ospital sa ACE, kaya lang hindi ko na siya naiuwi.
Hi, love. It's been almost 12 years. Grabe, no? Sino magkakala na yung taong kilala ko? When I was 16, isip na akong papakasalan. Time na umuulan, tapos wala kami sasakyan. Ayun, isa talaga yon. And then, in that hardest part, ginawa niya yung best niya para makabili siya ng sasakyan. Kasi ayaw niya na, nababasa ako.
You're the air in my lungs. You're the veins to my blood. Yeah, you.
Sa buhay mag-asawa, importante ang love. Sa pagkatan yung bonding, ang inyong commitment is because of love.
You're the sun to the moon. You're my ocean, painted blue. I'm nothing without you. You're the light in the dark. You're the arrow through my heart. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without.
Hindi ko nga na-imagine na na wala siya sa tabi ko. Kasi yun nga, bata pa lang kami. Naging kami na. So parang talagang halos sabay na kaming nagbinata sa kadalaga.
I still remember where we were standing when the world stood still.
talaga siya dapat before. Pero naging kami lang eh. Pero okay siya. Matyaga kasi, saka mabait.
You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason
I hope naging proud and happy ka kasi na-achieve natin yung parehas ng magkasama. Salamat sa pagtitiwala na kaya natin. I'm grateful dahil kung sino kasama ko nung nanangarap. Siya pa rin yung kasama ko.
Si Timmy, ito, yun, totoo mabait yan.
discovered underneath these clouds. There's a rhythm in every morning that we chase down, and we're on our way. Come what may, who knows what we're gonna find. There's a magic that we discovered, and we see it now. You're the every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason I will never. Every moment that we spend, like a symphony.
I also promise to be your forever driver. Bike man, motor, o kotse yung meron na. Love you.
Love you.
Dexter, thank you kasi sinamahan mo ko in my childhood, 16. And then, thank you kasi kahit na nagkaroon ako ng mga failures din as a partner, and hindi ka sumuko. Saka, sobrang tiyaga mo sa mga toyo ko, topa ko, ayan. Saka, yun, sunod luho talaga, lahat binibigay. Thank you sa lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the SDE, of course, of Mr. and Mrs. Santos wedding. Grabe, ang daming kinilig, naiyak,